Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to enable Messenger chat bubbles on Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. So you have to start with opening Messenger application. Now enter settings, and here you have to find a chat heads option. Now click go to settings, and you have to allow display over other applications for Messenger. And now go back, and as you can see now chat heads are enabled. If you want to disable it, you can just click this option again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.